Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Lofty CRM for your business. Alright, so the very first thing that we should do here is to search. Okay, so we have to open any of our web browser and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Lofty CRM. And then we have this first website, so you just have to click on this one. That's right. And then here you will be redirected to their website. So, what we're going to do here is we have to schedule a free demo so that we'll be able to see the what is inside the tools. All right. So, we have to click on this one. Okay. And then, in order for us to book a demo, we have to type out our first name, the last name, and then, of course, we have to use our work email. Okay, so or your company email, and then your phone number, and then here if you need a user license, so I just have to select this option as well, and then which best describes your rule. All right, so since we cannot really access the tool as of the moment, still I am going to discuss to you the important details of this tool if you are planning to use this for your business. All right, so just going to click on the solutions at the top. So we have here the lead generation, the platform, and the Lofty AI. So let's start with the lead generation. So we have here the 360 degrees marketing, Google PPC, Google LSA, the brand advertising, the direct mail, and the Lofty Blue. Okay, so I think just going to discuss two of each of these main solutions. Okay, so let's start with the 360 marketing. So it will boost advertising performance with targeted cross-platform marketing campaigns. All right. So here for the 360 degrees marketing programs, we have the Google PPC, the Microsoft Bing PPC, the Google LSA, and more. For example, this one. So this is the buyer and the seller lead. So target a high volume, high intent audience with Google Search PPC, and for the Microsoft Bing PPC. All right, so this one is for the buyer and seller leads. So search marketing campaigns that target an older and more educated audience. Okay, so we also have here the Facebook and Instagram retargeting. All right, so targeted website and social traffic and drive them towards lead registration. Okay, so why choose the Lofty's Marketing 360 Degrees? So it can work directly with experienced digital marketing experts. 360 marketing strategy maximizes return on investment, seamless integration with the Lofty CRM and website. CAPE tracking protects your prospect audience from policy changes, and the Google certified partner. All right, so now let's proceed to the Google PPC. All right. So here, this is a multi-channel paid advertising. So you can maximize the advertising effectiveness through a diverse mix of advertising channels and types. So for Google, we have this one. All right. So, of course, why choose the Loftus lead generation? It is a multi channel online advertising service that identifies and attracts potential leads with a proven success. So, harness the power of intent targeting and social info to identify and attract buyers and sellers. Rely on cutting edge AI to automatically optimize your advertising strategy and take the guesswork out of high frequency bidding, keyword selection, and creative planning. So how it works, so we have the potential lead, view or ads. So going here, the potential lead visit IDX website, and here as well. So we have the registration via Facebook lead and form, and so on. All right, so now let's proceed to the platform. So for the platform, let us now focus on the real estate CRM. Right, so for the real estate CRM, so this is how it looks like when you are inside the tool. All right. So for the lead score, you can shape your priorities with the dynamically adjusting lead scores. So they factor contact, validity, online behavior, property info, and more to give actionable insights. For lead analysis, you can focus your effort the smart way. So the Lofty's behavioral lead analysis study site activity and engagement indicators to provide insight as to leads' likelihood to close and take the guesswork out of giving leads that they want. So the Lofty dynamically provides insights on lead activity and intelligently suggests the best next step. All right, so for the business opportunities, site activities tracking, featured listing management, and communication analysis. For the reporting and forecasting, so we have the business goals, the performance report, the business report. So as you can see on the business goals, the first step to reaching your goal is defining them. So the second is tracking your progress, and you can do the both in Lofty, where you can set and track the agent and team goals by volume, closings, GCI, or revenue. So if you want to use this one, then you just have to request a demo. Now let's proceed to the Lofty AI. All right, so let's just go to the overview. All right. So here, the AI is designed to fit your business and your workflows. So the AI workforce is both flexible and scalable, helping to maximize efficiency and productivity as you grow. So employ specialized AI teams and agents to help you with platform navigation, marketing, social media, listing promotion, lead management, and more. So you choose where and how to apply AI to your business in the places you must need help and at your pace. Okay, so here can meet the team. So we have the AI Copilot. So for the navigator, your digital guide to the Lofty platform. So would you ever step of the way helping to optimize your interactions and experience with the Lofty as navigator for insights, recommendations, next steps, anywhere in the platform when you need help. And the tax expert. So we have a kind of technical know-it-all, always wears the bucket protector. So the tax expert is your go-to for all things Lofty technical support. So you can get help quickly with product inquiries, billing, customer support, lead imports, and account management. And for the copywriter, so this one is time-saving, handsome, super content creator. Effortlessly create high-quality content for email and text communications, SEO, blogs, landing pages, and more. So copywriter is a time-saving rock star that you will love having on your team. For the AI sales essentials, we have the sales assistant. It's a multi-talented, hardworking, and never asks for a raise. The sales assistant is the ISA you've always dreamed of, from lead capture and qualification to appointment setting, call screening, and transfer. Sales assistant does it all. So basically, using the Lofty CRM for real estate professionals, it is AI-powered lead scoring and behavioral analysis that will help you identify and prioritize the most promising prospects. And the platform integrates CRM, IDX websites, marketing automation, and mobile accessibility into one unified tool. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.